From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Yvonne Angeline, and in today's video I'll be showcasing
Eyes are closed, in the shadows,
a bedsitter.
my enemies.
So this is how the outside of the bedsitter looks like, and before we get to the video, make sure to hit that subscription button as you're headed to
Will think they won, but I'm here to stay.
2,000 subscribers. Enjoy the video.
Come, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
So the house is at the rooftop of this building. The good thing about this house is that it's the only house at the rooftop, so you have that privacy.
All the pain,
And now let's start with this kitchen area.
all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned. I am stronger now.
So when you enter, the first thing on your left is your kitchen area. Then at the front you have your bedroom area.
Oh no, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
So the price of this bedsitter is 16,500.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want
The location of the bedsitter is in Membly.
my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can
Let's just say around Membly. Exact location is OJ.
follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real?
So I love the design of the house.
All I feel, break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh,
If you are to arrange, you can put your bed at this end.
I do what I want. Thought that you should know I've been going solo.
And from here you can see the space that will be left with.
Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want.
So your kitchen area.
Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? Cause it won't I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever.
Then your bedroom area, depending with how you'll decide to arrange the house.
You see me, don't be wasting my time.
So the building contains lift for easy access to the floors.
Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Read the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real.
The building also has good security in that you have CCTV cameras that are monitored 24 hours.
I do what I want. I do what I want.
And finally, let's have a look at now the washroom of the house. So first you start with this sink that is just located outside the washroom.
I do what I want. I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now. Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real? I do what I want.
This is now the washroom of the house. So you have your shower and your toilet. So from here you can see that the house is at the rooftop, but before we go to the outside of the house, let's have a final look of how this house looks like.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control.
Now that's it about the interior of the house, the kitchen area, the bedroom area, and your washroom.
All I feel. Break the signs every time. Let's be real, be real.
Now let's go outside and see how the outside of this beautiful bedsitter looks like.
I do what I want. I do what I want. I do what I want.
So this is the rooftop.
I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear
So on both sides of the rooftop you can hang your clothes.
me now. I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for.
Water is per unit.
Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Read the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want.
Some of the benefits of staying in this building is that you have a generator. So this is the generator, meaning at no point in your stay are you going to lack electricity for whatever reason.
Shall return when my eyes are closed.
Another advantage is you have a chilling area
In the shadows,
with provision of a socket, so you can chill here and charge your phone at the rooftop
my enemies
without having to go back to your house.
will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny
So another advantage is you have washrooms at the rooftop.
will.
This is the ladies washroom, then the gents washroom.
I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive.
So your hanging lines are here, you hang your clothes over here, and from this point you can see the view of Membly. So that's Membly.
I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night.
This house is located in OJ, a stage after Membly. We are done showcasing the house, and this is your staircase. You can either access the house using the staircase or the lift, and when you're using the staircase, you access it using fingerprint, and when you're using the lift, you access the lift using a card.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real?
Here is your parking space. So it was a little bit dark, that's why it looks like this, but it's a very spacious parking space. And we are done showcasing the bedsitter. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye. My name is Yvonne, and see you in the next video.